We're back again today for a quick one. We've got to get the car ready for the Charlie McGarva race at Tamworth next week. So we're actually sitting in an empty garage at the moment because it's been fairly wet all week, so the car's still outside the trailer. And we're just going to change the fuel pump and the relay for the fuel pump and patch the front guards up a little bit. And we should be good to go for next weekend. So let's take a have a look at what we're going to do. So we're outside still on the trailer because it's been raining all week, and even now, like, the ground's that soft. I was probably getting bogged if I try and load it, so we just left it there. So we got doored pretty badly on Saturday. But we're just going to patch this guard here up, a couple of rivets and whatnot. And this side here we've banged into someone, so patch that up. We'll leave that for now. We're going to pull these guards off the oscillators and fix them better. And do the fuel pump. So the fuel pump's there. We've got this other fuel pump here to put in it, because it cut out in the fourth run. So there's either the fuel pump or the relay, so we're going to do both and sort that out. Anyway, far enough. Righto, he's been looking for too. He's changing the suck hose all the time. That, bring your relay, whack that in. quick rinse out. Right, I'll go hit the key, see if it starts. So yeah, new fuel pump installed. Changed the relay, put a cable tie on it in a second. And go from there. There we go, extra cable tie. Yeah, it's a bit dark for these guards. It'll take 5 minutes maybe. So what we do here, cut a bit of plastic like that, to the bottom, drill some holes, and rivet it in. Not the prettiest thing, but it'll hold up for the weekend. It's the older pair I did there previously. Because we had that much in off-season this year between going to America and that late meeting in Sydney. So this year I'm going to pull these panels off and give them a bit of a tidy up as well. But for this side, actually might go something like that in behind there. A couple on each side. That'll work. Yeah, it's getting a bit dark now. It's not that late today. But we've got the important things to get done, the fuel pump with the relay and just patch them guards up a little bit. We're going to pull the panels off in off season, give them a better go this year, and maybe, you know, paint them, we can replace them if we get keen. But we'll see how that goes. So yeah, last race of the year this weekend at Tamworth, or next weekend, next Saturday. So yeah, a couple of things to do here and give it a check over in the daylight tomorrow or one afternoon for the week. And we'll be good to go to Tamworth. Anyhow, as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comment on anything that you want to comment on, and we'll see you next time.